Hey guys, Blade Central 3 here, and today I'm going to be showing you a just a little update. So here it is. That is all the stuff that I have gotten or anything, but so what I have gotten, that Zippo's old, just don't mind that. I've got a Casio watch. Finally, I've been wanting a good watch for such a long time. It's really nice. It's glow in the dark. It has the days and everything. This is Friday the 19th right now, but it's really not. So I don't know when that will change. I'm gonna still need to kind of set it, but yeah. So here we go. I got the new Casio. I got a here's what the Zippo is for. Little knockoff of the Zippo. It's like there. Yeah. It's very cheap and thin. Here's the trademarks on the bottom. You guys cannot see those at all, so just wait a second. I'm gonna make this quick. Okay. Let's get this. I hope this will work. A little magnifying glass. No. Oh, there. This is some random stuff, and then the Zippo, of course, has your Zippo trademarks. There we go. So yeah, it's a total knockoff. I think I'm gonna start using this little thing. It's pretty helpful. Yeah, just a little knockoff Zippo. I messed up the wick on my regular Zippo. I was thinking I'd get some pliers or something and like twist it back, but there's something wrong with it. It doesn't light very well. But I'm gonna see another one at Walmart for about $10, so not a big problem. Sorry guys, I have really bad allergies. Right here, this one's not very new. Well, I thought I'd show you guys it since you've never seen it before. And I cannot get it open. Yeah. The UTS, I think, Ultimate Survival Technologies, UST, my bad. Yeah, it's called the Blast Match. You just hold down this, and then when you push it against the surface, it sparks. As you see all around it, I have used it so much. Used it to start fires and all kinds of stuff, so that was definitely a good buy. Got some UCO Stormproof matches. Been loving these. We'll save the best for last. Starting on a mini survival kit. That's why you saw this flashlight. And the starting was supposed to go in there. Yeah, so far I have like mini scissors, band-aids, electrical tape, matches, whistle, multi-tool, flashlight, strikers, all kinds of stuff in there. Not even close to being complete yet. I need to put like a fishing kit on the top there. Alright. Now I got a Victorinox or Swiss Army. Here, let me open this. This is really shiny. It's like brand new. Very thin. So yeah, you got your nail file, your scissors, tweezers, and your toothpick, of course. So I need to ask you guys something. If I should carry a larger size with the only extra features on this is a backup blade and can opener, bottle opener, along with a screwdriver and some hole punch thing. So should I go with the big one or should I go small with the little one and probably keeping the sheath? But I think I'm just still gonna carry this and keep this one on my keys. So yeah, that's a cool buy. Save the best for last. I got a knife. This isn't just any knife. This is a Zippo knife. Here, let me get the magnifying glass. Zippo knife. I've never seen one of these before. It's a Zippo knife. See it closer. So yeah, I've never seen one of these. Please leave in the comments if you've seen one of these. I think it's pretty rare. If I find out that they're not rare at all, I'm gonna start carrying this as EDC because this is a pretty good blade. But yeah, I just need some help on that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe or comment, check out my other videos. So see you later. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, Blade Central 3. That's what it's called. So tell me if this is rare or not, and tell me if I should carry which one or carry them both. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and comment. Thank you so much. So see ya.